Today on the Celtic She Shed, we're going to redo the cupboards in the bathroom. The items I'm using to make my life easy in this task are sandpaper, some kind of credit card, wood filler, a pen and a ruler, a drill, though a screwdriver would do, craft scissors and a knife, contact adhesive, and handles of my choice. This bathroom cabinet has been annoying me for a while. As you can see, the doors appear to be discoloured, the handles were always rubbish, and it just needs a wee bit of a clean up. One of the main issues is that the doors are hinged through the complete structure, so I'm going to have to fix the doors in situ. Obviously, starting any project like this, pull everything out of the unit, give it a good clean and make sure it's grease free and dry. That's the old handles off, but we have two holes and our new handles are only going to require one, so we're going to fill these ones up with wood filler. Bit of laziness on a Sunday morning. I'm buying it pre-made, I'm not mixing up wood filler. I want to make sure the front is well covered because it can be sanded down before the contact adhesive goes on it. Now to find something to do until this dries. I'm just going to give a light sand really all over the door to help key, and we'll give it a wipe down to take the dust off it. Now to measure up the contact adhesive, I've picked black with a little bit of sparkle. It's a very, very tiny bathroom, so anything with a bit of sparkle to reflect a bit of light, always a good thing. Because the doors are in situ, the way I'm going to do it is leave enough of the contact adhesive that it'll go round the door and into the back of the door, just to make sure it doesn't lift back off again. That should be enough. And take a wee bit round here. So, as you can see, this is quite handy because we do have lines pre-drawn, but I have left an overlap just beside the number 4 there to wrap it round. Okay, let's get the plastic on. Have a feel of where you want to put it. I usually do it. Yeah, new glasses on for this bit. Ah. 3 hours later, got the corner off. So, I'll say we have that pretty much evened up. And then lay one corner on. You can see the line of the corner there, and then we can just bring the rest down. Right, first of all, I'm going to poke through a hole to indicate where my handle is going to go at the end, and then we will start with this edge and fold it over. No need for the credit card here, to be honest. Get a better feel with your fingers. Just making sure you're not causing any bubbles of the main bit. The good thing with contact adhesive is you can pull it off and put it back on again as many times as you need to get the finish you want. We have the little hole that has been holding on the door here, so we will have to cut around that. All that we have left to do is fit the handles. These are the ones I chose from Amazon. I'll put the link to both them and the contact adhesive if you're interested. They come with 2 different size screws, which is handy because obviously this is quite a thin door, but if it was a piece of furniture or whatever, you would maybe need the thicker ones. And the job's a good one.